What up, what up, what up? Roman Empire.
You already know who it is, man. It's your boy Q.
And it's your girl Niqua.
And welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
What up,
Welcome
Empire?
back.
As you see, we're in the garage deck. What a kid.
Hey, y'all, hey. We just left the house. Happy Saturday.
Yeah, just left the house, man.
There go the kiddos. Hey, Pookies. Why you, Giovanni? Gio done hit the camera, you guys.
Hit the camera, boy.
Yeah, look how he walking. Giovanni, why you walking like that? Baby, we don't even have time to wash the car, do we?
No.
Here, can you put this in the car, baby, for me? Hey, Chance. Say hey.
Hey, y'all. I bet y'all miss me. Y'all know, y'all.
Nai. Say hey, girl, hey. Y'all, Naya growing dreads. She started her dreads. It's about time for us to get them retwisted. So I'll show y'all once we get them retwisted. But she started her dreading journey. Are you excited, Naya? Because the vlog haven't seen you, right? Since you started the dreads, right?
I don't know.
What's up, babe?
What up, Empire? What up?
Are we cleaning the truck?
Yup, yours truly the building, man. We about to turn this thing back up, YouTube. Alright, so Babe trying to show this view. But first I gotta show Babe right quick. Babe.
Yes.
Looking oh so sexy.
Oh, so sexy.
Yeah, you already know it. Yeah, love the hair color, babe.
Thank you, baby.
Dope. Yeah, that hair color sexy. Yes, sir. So yeah, so this view right here, man. See the stadium right here for here. This what baby trying to show y'all. This our parking deck right here. You see the stadium over there. Yeah, we on top of the buildings, man. But we really on top. But this just the parking deck. We'll get to that in due time. All y'all probably already seen it, ain't no telling. But yeah, by the time the video come out, I don't know. But yeah, so we about to have a little Saturday day outing. I know it's dark in this thing. Okay, I don't think y'all can see us, but there we go.
We're about to go spend.
Yeah, so we about to go spend time with the kiddos, man. Yeah.
So we taking y'all with us. We miss taking y'all with us.
Yeah,
because y'all know we always doing something, but y'all have not been with us in so long.
Yeah.
We taking y'all with us.
Yep. So we finna take y'all on the family outing, man. So let's get it. You already know.
Hello, boys and girls. How are you? You know, today is going to be a wonderful day. Today could be a wonderful day for many reasons. We might get mail from the postman. Or we might just get a song from Ace. Because I'm back.
Welcome back. Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back, man? I see the girls in the club, they're getting wild for me. And all the pretty chicks all wanna smile at me. These rap cats, man, they all got this style from me. And if I ever see them, man, they probably bow to me. And when this beat drop, I know they gon' lean. World debut, I know they gon' fiend. Everything Mississippi to the Palm Springs. Girls from brunettes down to blonde queens. These young boys don't know what a Don mean. I'm just a bad boy gone clean. I'm the diamond chain choker, always remain sober. Don't drink liquor and all the game's over. Need a plane, I explained it to my broker. 3 box in the hood, top down, and ain't over. You know there's more, man, where that come from? Me and Kuda Love rolling back to back in one. See the names have all changed since I've been around, but the game ain't the same since I left out.
Ooh, you know we made ya. Ooh, you know we
most high, still I'm the most fly. I win so much they wanna know who I'm coached by. Every day approached by chicks when I was multi. Wanna give me soul side, but I'm like, don't try. I see the hisses and the disses when I go by, but see the misses on my wrists when I float by. Self-control and I can't tell you no lie. Trying to find a soulmate, you end up being soul tied. I make my money, man, without the coca. Living la vida without the...
All right, you guys, we pulling up. So where are we? Oh, I don't even think we told you guys where we at.
Oh yeah, we going to the food truck spot.
What is it called?
The world food
see.
Trucks.
Best Asian flavors.
See,
The world of food trucks.
Right here, y'all.
Oh, this is so cool.
Good.
This is our first time coming, you guys.
Yeah, they got all types of stuff, man. This some of the food trucks right here, but they got like 30 of them in the back. Like these the front ones. You might try some of these first. They in the front for a reason, probably.
I know. That's what I was thinking too, babe.
Hey.
Oh, right here, you guys. World food trucks.
Yep.
Like, if you're not from Orlando, this is one of the places that you definitely have to come visit, they say. They say you have to come to the world of food trucks. There's ice cream, baby.
Y'all see ice cream?
Oh,
Look, they got
nice.
burritos, nachos.
I know I'm getting me some Spanish food. Machine Gun America. Baby, what is this? Machine Gun America.
We should have parked on this side. That's the spot right there.
Baby, what is this? Machine Gun America.
Oh, that's...
What's your car right there?
I think that's a gun range or something like that.
Oh.
Maybe. Something like that.
All right, you guys. So it is our first time visiting the world of food trucks. So we're super excited. I hear that all of the different foods are delicious.
So which
They have really good reviews.
Yep,
What you said, baby? What you said, Gio?
I'm sweating.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, we're about to park. You guys, you see we have our truck
Let's turn
back.
the air on, 'cause
Yeah, we're gonna put the air on.
I'm trying to see where the park at.
Look at this.
We trying to get a good view from the tent, the windows, Gio. Gotta let the windows down.
I know he wants you to put it back on.
I told you in the back. I can't be right here.
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, where the park? Straight ahead?
It's
Alright.
only $2, you guys, to park.
$2 a park. Y'all see all these two food trucks, man?
So that's good. It's only $2. Very
That look good
affordable.
right there. Oh, yeah, that look good. Oh, they got all types of stuff.
Yeah, wow. Look at guys, look out the window. You see all of the different food trucks? They come from different parts of the world, different food.
World food trucks.
Different types of food, Pookie.
What's up, man? $2? Alright. I got cash.
All right, you guys. So we're gonna go park. All right, you guys. So we are here again at the world of food trucks.
The world of food trucks.
I'm super excited and I am super hungry. We all are, I think.
We
Baby,
all
you
hungry.
hungry too, right?
Yup. Hungry.
Come on, guys.
Hungry, y'all.
Giovanni.
Come on, Gio, you hungry?
Giovanni does not want this do-rag on, you guys, but
Right,
we have them
he
on
tripping
because
on.
they have to get haircuts. And we didn't have time
We
to
have
go during
time,
the week.
man.
So we're going to take them on Monday. Today's
Watch
Saturday,
the
you
cars,
guys.
y'all.
So we just put do-rags on them and they never wear do-rags. This is actually their first time wearing it out.
Yeah.
So they're not too happy about it. But it's really Gio. You'll be all right. You look so handsome.
And I forgot the money in the car.
Okay. I'll be right here, baby. Come here. Guys, look how many cars is here. A lot of tourists comes here when they visit Orlando. Wait for Daddy, you guys. He had to go back to the car. Yes, this is definitely a tourist area. So I'm excited we finally made it. After a year being here, we pass it all the time. But we just haven't had time to really stop and enjoy it. We always go to like restaurants, so This is cool. I'm so happy we're here, Luvian. Are you happy to be here? Say hi to the vlog, Lulu. Luvian. Luvian. Say hi to the vlog. You're not gonna say hi?
No.
Legend love vlogging. Say hey.
I'm saying, no, I got
Say hi. Where are you?
Hey.
Yep, at the food place. Say the word of food trucks. Where we at, Gio?
Where we at?
Yep.
Yep.
Louis, come out that dirt, baby.
Come on.
Baby, I turned the camera on Luvian, man, and he just like this. Like for the whole 2 minutes.
Dude, you gotta get back used to the camera, man.
Yes. Oh,
Oh, get up.
come on, guys, let's go. There's a Dave's Hot Chicken here.
I'm an older mother.
They even have Dave's
Hot
Hot
Chicken,
Chicken.
That ain't no Dave's Hot Chicken, man.
Oh, it's not?
Nah.
I'm an older mother.
What
But
is it?
it's a good chicken spot though, look like. It say wings or something. We gonna take y'all to Dave's Hot though. They wanna go to Dave's Hot, y'all.
Yeah, Dave's Hot Chicken.
We ain't had a
Good,
chance
you
to take
guys.
them yet, man.
I
but
wonder if they
y'all
have
done
that in
seen
New
us a few
York.
times in there.
Yeah.
Let me put this in your purse.
Baby, they have that in New York? Dave's Hot Chicken?
Huh?
You think they have Dave's Hot Chicken in New York? I know they have it in
I
Atlanta.
don't know they got it in New York.
Me either. I want to know if they do.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah.
If
it's
they do, you guys, make sure,
Yeah.
if
We
you're
got
from
some
New
good
York, make
spice
sure
too.
you try it.
Definitely got some good spice.
Oh, shoot. Here we are. And the camera goes to Babe.
How you tell my camera goes today? Oh yeah, it's nice in here, y'all. Dope. Yeah, it's a lot of them out here. They like all between, y'all. What you want to get, babe?
They have gyros.
You got gyros?
And that's how y'all say gyros, okay? It's not gyro.
Stupid, man. Hey, so we about to see what we about to eat, man, because dang, it's a burger spot right there. I eat burgers all the time, so I ain't finna. I want something different. See, for example, something like this. Some real Puerto Rican food right here, man. Wow. Alright, so Legend, what you doing over here, boy? Who told you to sit down, huh? You don't found you a spot? What you doing up here, man? What you doing over here? Come on. Come on, walk with us. See, he don't find him a spot real quick. Yeah, y'all know how he do. But he don't got a little bigger now, man. So, yep, so we about to take this journey, man, and keep going. Like y'all see it, man. So, yo, let's get it.
You want this?
No, I'm getting Chinese food.
So this is the truck where the kids is getting their food from, the three little ones. It's called Super Grill. So Babe is paying for it now. And they had like a different variety of foods. They had hot dogs, French fries, they have wings. That's what the kids got. They have chicken tenders, they have mozzarella sticks, they have burgers. So we felt like this would be a good pick for the kids. So yep, their food is cooking, and now we're gonna go find out. Well, Shania, what you said you want? What you want, Nana?
Chinese food.
From where? All right, let me go order Shania's. Let me get the money.
When the ring come back.
Yeah, stop pulling me, Lulu.
So,
Oh, come on, guys.
come on, y'all.
Come on, Legend. Let's go order the Chinese. You found Chinese food, Shania? Okay. There is so many beautiful people out here. Just enjoying, all different ages too, you guys. So that's really nice. Very diverse. You gonna get them some dessert afterwards, baby?
Yeah, probably so.
Oh, and we found tables. We can sit right here. I think I want a gyro, you guys.
see what you want?
Spanish food, maybe? You already know how I feel about Spanish food. Okay, so Shania's getting Chinese food. Stop it, Legend. Legend, y'all can sit down. Find a table. Sit right there. Tell Daddy. I'll say y'all can sit. All right, so now we're at the Chinese store. Oh, this looks good. What you want? I already ordered your food.
Louis, you already ordered your food, boy. You'll get it next time. We'll come here.
Huh? What you getting?
We'll be back. We'll come like every other weekend.
Sweet and sour chicken is what Shania's getting.
Oh,
That looks good. Okay.
Can we get rice with fries, some of your rice?
You wanted rice?
Yeah, we're gonna come back again periodically. Every
Dang,
other
I should have
weekend.
just waited, huh? Thought y'all wanted wings.
Yeah.
Do that. All right, you guys, we almost forgot to pull out the camera. But this is Shania's food.
No, I'm going to get
She
my
has sweet and sour chicken. It looks really good. Dad is serving the children. They have wings. They actually we ended up getting them some rice as well and French fries. Babe have some, what is it called?
Cheese,
It's
steak,
like cheese, steak, chicken over fries
Yes.
and some sauce. It looks so good.
Dad, I thought y'all
Okay,
said
so we
free.
making plates and I'm gonna go find me some Spanish food somewhere. You ate all your food?
No.
Was it good? How's everybody enjoying their lunch? Well, it's dinner. We were supposed to get here for lunch. How's everybody enjoying their lunch? Well, dinner. I mean, I said it again. Is it good, Gio and Legend? Legend? Guys, we got them a Coke. So they over there happy. They have a soda, a pop. Is it good, baby?
Yep.
Louis, was your food good? Why are you not talking in the camera? I ate a wing, you guys. I got.
Pretty good though.
It was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tasted a wing and it was pretty good. And the rice was pretty good as well. I had some of we had ordered them some Chinese rice, a small order.
I'm about to eat
So
another.
yeah. And I ordered me some food from there, so you'll see that when it comes. Where you going? To the flea market. We never been to a flea market, right? Have we? Have we ever been to one?
No, I think I've been once.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I think in Georgia, right? Yeah, we did go one time.
Yeah.
Babe, I know you grew up in them streets, so you know all about the flea markets, right? I'm sorry, I got you all on
I
camera.
actually got money to spend.
You looked good, baby.
Oh, good.
That looked sexy. Slurp that up again.
Mom,
Yes.
I said she got money to spend and you waste
That's
for
right.
nothing.
I wasted
I didn't
her.
say that. I said I got money to spend. You should be making stuff up.
Yeah, I see.
I saw her with a
Guys,
whole
this is my
bag of
buzzer
money
for my food.
and her
When it go off,
collecting.
I go there.
Couldn't use
You want to see it again?
Oh, what he
He's
say?
talking about
What you said?
He said he seen her in the room with a whole bag of money.
You want to see it
Yeah,
again?
she had money.
She had money where?
Yeah, look. She didn't make you pay for her.
Talk so loud.
So you,
Pay for my
so
own
wait,
So you
so
say she should have paid for her own food, huh? She got money, right?
Yeah.
that's many chance over there,
Teaching
y'all.
her to save, so.
Yeah, she's saving. Yeah, we gotta tell you guys
She got a
about
net
that
tab for
soon.
hers. We're gonna teach her responsibilities and stuff, you know.
You ready?
Spend
Ready?
it all in the flea market.
You going to the flea market? Okay. All right.
I didn't
Put
eat
your
all
food in the
this.
bag.
Mom, I'm
selling
getting
it no
full
more.
like you now. Quick. Mom, I can't eat all my food now.
Well, good. You'll have some for later.
ain't been
Put
to
it into the
flea
bag
market
and
in
tie it. Huh?
I ain't been to the flea market like in years.
Yeah,
I
we
don't even
never
know
went
they have it
together, right?
anymore.
I don't think we ever went together. We've been together over 10 years.
Yeah, it's been a minute. That's when I was, you know, not on the budget.
I heard they pretty cool though.
That's when I was on the come up.
Right.
But yeah, they straight, you know, it just depends. Don't get gypped enough.
They'll jip you in the flea market. That.
This shit's real.
Shania, what you said?
Jip.
She said, what's jip?
You said
You talking about getting played?
Y'all don't know what that is? Oh, baby.
what?
They don't know what that means.
what?
What is
Hold it.
That's like the new.
I said they jip daddy. I mean, daddy said don't get jip.
Y'all say
You know what that means?
y'all just got different
Oh.
No, I mean finesse.
No, I wanted them to, yeah, but I wanted them to guess what it meant.
Yeah, and
In y'all language, it means finesse, but that would have been a good fun game. You know, the new generation. Shania was like, what's jip? Jip means don't get finesse.
We say finesse. Y'all say
He's like, oh, he gypped you. He gypped you. Be like, oh. Yo, you got gypped, man. You got gypped.
Yeah,
Personally, me, I don't care if stuff is fake as long as it look good.
That's the way you're supposed to think. I like that, Shania. Yep. You be thankful for whatever it is. Yep. As long as it looks good. Oh,
Now you said what?
oh my goodness. He done had soda. It's gonna go
Probably
down.
look good, but
They're drinking soda.
We gonna work on always getting some real.
I know.
You know how, teaching our kids some Roman Empire.
Yep. It is definitely the learning
Where you come from is
stages.
where you end up at.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. What you said, Nana? Oh, that's beeping.
Beeping.
I told you as soon as that beep. Oh, you're welcome, Shania. Oh, sorry, baby. This is where we go, you guys. This beeps, we follow.
More food?
Excuse me. Follow the beep, Chance. Follow the beep. You yelling. All right, you guys. So here's my food. I have some garlic sauce. Yeah. Y'all going to the flea market, right? Okay. We'll be right here. And this is my food. So for you guys that do not know, I love Puerto Rican food. Hold on, baby. Let mommy talk, okay? Hold on, Bookie. Hold on. Yes, Les. We are. Hold on, Bookie.
You said but after this, Daddy going to...
Cause yeah, we going out so Daddy can watch his game. You feel that? Oh shoot, hold on, I'm trying to zoom it out, baby. Okay, so for you guys who don't know, I love Puerto Rican food. This is Puerto Rican food. I have fried salami with fried cheese and totones with a side of salad. So this is like a Dominican dish. I believe they call this a Dominican breakfast if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, this is one of my favorites. I love it. It is so good. So yeah, that's what I'm about to eat. And drink my Sprite. Baby, who opened my Sprite?
It's mine right here.
Oh, you opened it for me, baby? Thank you, baby. Thank you. So yeah, your girl is about to eat. And my phone will ring. I'm gonna take a bite of salami for you guys.
I'm about to try some of that too, y'all. Got to try some
That
of that.
salami is so good. Gotta go. So let me show you guys how to eat it. You gotta cut a piece up. Okay, I'll give you another straw, Pookie. Okay, Legend? Hold on. No, don't drink from the can, Legend. No. I'm gonna give you a straw.
Legend.
Baby, grab that straw right there.
Here,
So guys, you have to take a piece of the cheese, a piece of the salami, and I'm gonna take a piece of this right here, totone, this, and I'm going to eat it together. That's how you eat this, okay? For you guys who don't know. So it's bam, bam, bam. It's like making a little sandwich. I'm gonna make you one, baby, okay? All right, you guys, so we are leaving. It was really delicious. Everything was pretty good. Ouch, my ear. We putting the kids in the car. You ready, babe?
Yeah.
All right, so now I'm not sure because we make today's the game, you guys. What's today, baby?
Lakers and who they playing? Denver Nuggets. Lakers and Nuggets. LeBron about to do his thing, man. And to get in them Nuggets, man, go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, get another championship, get that ring, man. Just like the Braves about to do, you know. My Hawks, man, hey, still love to my Hawks, you know. That's the home team, but hey.
Now you about to talk
But,
about
hey,
all them teams.
I ain't about to talk about all the teams, but hey, y'all know what it is. Back at it. Some king shit, you know what I'm saying? Represent LeBron. Go ahead and do your thing tonight, boy.
We actually gonna go watch the game.
Yeah, we probably go to a bar or
so we
something,
probably
you
go to
know,
a bar.
in the city. So
The
we
kids
gonna
going home. You guys going home. We going to a bar,
We about
okay?
to take them home. Yep.
I almost said we going to a bar, okay?
Might have the nanny come over. Yikes. To be continued.
To be continued.
Yeah, but welcome back to our life, man. We gonna catch y'all up, man. So
Yeah, we are.
yeah, we glad to see y'all. You know what I'm saying? Even though we can't see you, but you see us. But you know, what's up, Empire? Yeah. So another day in our life,
record
man.
tonight if we go to the bar, maybe, right?
Yeah,
we might record,
probably
right?
do.
Okay.
don't
So we
know.
might see y'all later. If not, we'll
We
see
gonna
y'all
watch it, yeah.
the next time we pick up the camera.
Yep.
Something right.